Hello guys, welcome again for another great video. Remember, my name is Seal and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So today again I have a great video, a great topic to talk with you. I want to talk about 5 types of online income. So I don't know what type of business you are doing right now, but I believe that you really need to understand all kinds of income online marketers, online entrepreneurs are making right now. Maybe you will find yourself in some of those types of income. So the goal is for you to know first about it and even to try or decide to expand in those types of income. So before we go further, I want to ask you for a little favor. Please go below and subscribe to my channel right now. Don't forget to click on the bell notification to be updated for every new released video. So that's it. Let's dive in. Alright, so the first type of income that you must be aware, that you must know, is the residual income. What is residual income? You know, residual income is, many people or other online marketers call it freedom income. Why? Because this type of income is the type of income that you receive monthly. You know, I don't know what it can be. Maybe a lot of online marketers are using this type of income applied on tools such as funnels builder, if you are in affiliate marketing, such as email marketing softwares. So people apply those type of income in the services that people use every month. It may be a membership site, website, so whatever it is. So this type of income has the benefit to give or to produce a monthly income, a consistent income. Why? Because people keep using it. So because people keep using it, those online marketers, online entrepreneurs behind those tools are getting paid consistently. So this one, I think that it is the best, and you can set it for you. You can become an affiliate in many products. You can decide to refer people, so you start to get a consistent online income. So whatever the type of business you are doing right now, you really need to consider this type of income, because I think and I believe that it is the best. And this one, you can multiply it by doubling, tripling the amount of effort you can put inside by acquiring more people to sign up with your program. So that was the first type of income. Remember, it's very important. If you must set it up in your business. So what is the next thing? The next thing is the sell income. Sell income. What do I call sell income? Sell income is the type of business, the type of income that you receive after you have sold some stuff. You may be on drop shipping, it may be your online store. So whatever the thing you are selling, when you start selling things, it may be a product that you promote. Such kind of income is what I call sell income. It's a great income, and a lot of people are making huge amount of money with that. But one of the problem with those kind of income is its lack of consistency, because sometimes you're gonna have a high income and sometimes you will not. So it's a huge type of income, but you can combine it with your residual income. So it's very important to have it, but don't forget, you have to promote a lot. You have to put a lot of work in order to make it consistent at a certain point. But this income is not to despite it's very good, it's a very great income that a lot of people are gaining right now. So you too, you can decide to jump in. I don't know what you are doing right now, but you really need to consider get the sale income. So what is the next type of income? The next type of income is high ticket income. Now I'm precisely talking about those who are in affiliate marketing. You know, there are two types of commissions that affiliate marketers are getting. There are low tickets commissions, and there are high tickets. So the difference is that the other one, according to the type of goal you have, if you want to reach, for example, 1,000 at the end of the month, if you are selling some a product which costs, let's say, $50, so you have to sell it to 20 people. But this is for the low ticket commission. But if you are promoting a product which costs $500 and you want to reach 1,000 at the end of the month, you just have to sell that product to 2 people in order for you to reach your monthly goal. So you know, this is the big difference between the two types of income, but they are great, both are great. But high tickets is best because it helps you to scale up your business very quickly. It's very efficient. But with that, we can also say that there are some setbacks, some difficulties that you may have, because those type of income, at the end of the month, you come back to zero, because once you have sold high ticket to a couple of people, you don't have you have to resell again. It means that it's not very consistent. Because of the price, because those type of high ticket affiliate products are some of them are very expensive. So because of the price, some of them are not getting the type of results consistently, but it's still great in order for you to cover some expenses. So you know, this type of income, you need to associate it with the previous one we have talked about, the residual income and the sale income. So it's very important to have those three together, because your business is gonna scale very rapidly with those income in place. So what is the next type of income? The next type of income is what I call CEO income. You know, this type of income is mostly present in the multi-level businesses or the network marketing business. It's type of income where other people are selling for you or are selling products, and you are getting a certain percentage in every product they sell. This type of income is also great when you have set up a great business team. You have just show them the best of your secret, and they are producing. You can go everywhere you want. You know what? People are still working, and once they are working and once they are making sales, you are making sales without working. So this one is very good, but you know what? It's not really popular. So a lot of people are not trusting the network marketing companies, but I just want you to be aware of it. I don't know if you are doing that. It's great for you maybe, and for some other people is not, but it is another great online income you really need to be aware of. So the last one is what I've called the service income. You know, the service income is really close to a job. You know, those one are for freelancers, those who do freelance, those who do services online. You find those type of income in Fiverr, Upwork. You know, those type of people are working in order to receive a paycheck, or to receive a money after the type of services they've done. So it's good, but you know, this type of money income is that when you don't work, you don't earn. So it's almost trading time for money. Of course, you have your skills that you put in it, but this type of income is not really automated. So I put it at the last place because I think that is good, but it's also one of the worst type of income. So if you are in that type of income, you really need to find a way for you to jump in the residual income. Don't forget, the residual income is the best one, because whether you work or not, once people are still using your tools or as using tools that you are getting a percentage of, you're still getting paid. So this is what I want to talk with you today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And that was Seal, and I say you bye bye.